Here is what the desk looks like. Oh, looks just like the old desk. But you could put a sewing machine in it. Could put a sewing machine in it. Already did, baby. Ba 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 ba. Yeah, she folds away. Okay. And then what do we got here? Fake drawer. Okay, right? Because it's housing that. Real drawer with a little spool holder. Another drawer. How to sew for babies. Oh, and a buttonholer machine that will work with my machine. Amazing. And then you're gonna love this shit. Third drawer. Secret bottom. Third drawer, secret bottom. Oh my God, I found another feature. I was like, what is this for? Dusty. What is this for?